You can start.
Hello, viewers. Thank you so much for your ability to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I also appreciate the time you spent watching all my videos. And today I will be continuing from where I stopped. The topic is Microsoft Word, and I still remain Mr. Emmanuel from Tendakia Motorstolic School, Cairo, in Egypt. All right, please. I also implore you, if you have your computer system, your laptop, your prompter, your desktop, please get them ready for you. We'll be doing some practicals, which will be nice you do alongside with me. So in case of any correction, we'll be able to dictate that. Okay. All right. So today the topic remains Microsoft Word, and the subtopic is open and new. So we are going to look at these two options. These two options can be found on the File menu on Microsoft Word. All right. And in my previous class, here I have what I titled Previous Knowledge. I taught you save and save as. I tried to explain the difference between two of them. I made it to understand that save can be used when you are saving an edited document. For example, a document which you have saved already and you added something to it, or you edited it, maybe you delete something or you added. So what you will then use is save. The save will now add the changes which has been done on that particular document. But save as is used when you are saving a new document for the first time. Okay, so you open a new page, you start typing to save it for the first time, you use save as, and this save as will enable you to give it a file name, the name which you may prefer to save the document with. So I tried to explain that to you in my previous video. I also implore you to try to watch the previous video so that you'll be able to get along with me. Okay, so today I'll be going straight to what I have here, the open and new. I'll try to distinguish them for you for better understanding. So open, this option is used to open any already saved document that you have saved already, that is already existing in your computer system. You use open to open it, open option to open it. For example, in your phone you have videos, pictures, contacts in your phone. If you want to access them, you use the option open. The same thing is applicable to your computer system. You have already saved Microsoft Word document in your computer system and you want to open it. The option you use is open option. That will enable you to do that. Okay, so I may give you my laptop and say, please try and open a particular document for me. I have a document I have titled my computer book. That's the title of the document, and it's a Microsoft Word document, and I like you to open it for me. So you are already working on Microsoft Word, for example. All you need to do is to go through File menu, select Open, and locate the document. So I will teach you how that can be done. The shortcut key, okay, I wrote here, each shortcut keys are Control O. Open has a shortcut key, a keyboard shortcut key called Control O. So you press it, Control O. I taught you this in my previous video where I cited the shortcut keys for these two options. Save is Control S, save as is F12. Okay, so the shortcut key for open is Control O. When you press Control O, it will then take you the steps on how you can open the already saved document. So which I'll also explain under this. This subheading I've titled it how. That is how this can be done. So the open again can also be found on File menu. So on File menu, when you click File, it will pull down its content. On it, that's where you can see open option. Now, how can this open work? How does it work? How? Open. How can I get open? How does it work? What's the essence of open? Now, for you to use open, you press Ctrl O. Please Remember, you must be on Microsoft Word environment. You have opened a Microsoft Word, maybe you are typing something else or you are doing another thing, but Microsoft Word environment must be open, must be launched. I taught you this in my previous videos, how to open Microsoft Word. So it's open, you are working on it. Then you want to open already saved documents. What you need to do, you press Ctrl O from the keyboard. Then the open window will appear. The open window will appear after you press Ctrl O. Through the open window, you'll be able to go through the location where the document is saved. So the next one, click the location where the document is saved. If it is saved on the desktop, you click desktop. If it is saved inside pictures, you click pictures. If it is document, you click document. If it is inside your flash drive, you click it. So you should know the location where the document is saved. So the next one, you click on the location where the document is saved. The third one, click open button. The open button can be found below. So in a few time, I'll be displaying it using my projector so for better understanding. So the next one, you click on the document from the list, then click on open button again. That particular document will open. I repeat, your Microsoft Word environment must be open. Press Ctrl O from the keyboard, click the location where the document is saved. Click on the document, click open button, then that is all, and the document will be opened. Now the next topic I have here is new. New can be used to create a new and blank document. For example, you are typing on this page and it's already full. You want to get a new document, not just a new page, a new document entirely. That is Microsoft Word. You click on new, then you will get a new page like this. So new option is used to create a new and blank document. Its shortcut keys are Ctrl N. So the new, which spells N-E-W. The shortcut key is Ctrl, the first letter N. The same thing applies to open. The shortcut key is Ctrl O, the first letter O. So that will help you to remember that. So it can also be found on the file menu. So now I'm going to display some things for you on the projector, which will enable you to understand data. So in case you have your laptops with you, please kindly get them set. Okay, I'll move my board away to have a clearer display of my projector. All right. Now let me refresh. How to open Microsoft Word. You click on Start button, point on All Programs, point on Microsoft Office, then click on Microsoft Word. I believe you know this. Alright, so this is the Microsoft Word environment we have here. Alright, now let's look at Open. Open, we say that Open can be found on the File menu. This is File, F-I-L-E. So which document do you want to open? Let's create one first. Let me type something. Let me create a document fast. The name of my school is Tendake Motorstolic School. So I will save this. I taught you how to save, so I may not need to explain now. So I want to save this. Let me save it on the desktop with a name, Practical. Practical. That's the name I want to use to save it. So I taught you this in my previous video, so I may not need to dwell on that. Now I have created a document. I close it. I open Microsoft Word, Power Programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word is open. Now I want to open the document I created. What is the name of the document? It's called Practical. So what do? Control O. I press it now. This is the open window. You see the name here? Open. So these are the locations where documents can be saved. So what do? My document, I saved it on the desktop. So I click desktop. I click open. Okay. So I search for my document. Desktop. So I search for my document. Down. This is my document. No? I set it name Practical. That's it. This is Practical. So I click it and I click open. It opens. Alright? So the next one is new. New. Before I proceed again, let me repeat. Open Microsoft Word. Create a document. Let me create a document. Let me create a document. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I save it. Let me save it inside this location document with a name YouTube. So I save. Now I open Microsoft Word. I want to open that document, YouTube. Control O. Where did I save it? Document. I click document. Click open. Now I search for the document I created. The name is YouTube. That's it. YouTube. I click it and I click open. It opens. That's wonderful. So the next one is N. New. To create a new document. As you are on this page, all you need to do is to press Ctrl N. Then I press Ctrl N. What will happen? Ctrl N. This is a new blank page. Can you see that? So let me type again. I type. Permit me to just use this rough letters. Now Ctrl N. See what will happen? Ctrl N. It appears. Okay? And all these can be found inside File menu. See New and see Open. Okay? So I so much appreciate your time you spend in watching my YouTube channel. I also implore you once again, please make out time to visit our YouTube channel, to subscribe to all our videos so you'll be updated based on our uploads. Thank you so much. I still remember Mr. Emmanuel. Do have a wonderful day.